how to get the Astro recovered bats. And Astro Titan cameraman is so cooking. Oh, first you see, go to an elevator. You don't know how to get. So you need to wait. So this must type the elevator if you don't know the elevator is. Okay. Okay, we should be in. Now, I'm gonna do. Yeah, I'm gonna do sandbox mode, but the badge is not available in sandbox mode. So just do it in endless mode and wait for wave 58 and defeat the Astro guy and do the same thing that I do in the sandbox. Yeah, you should pick up a Astro hand fallen down over there. And the way to pick it up is gonna be easy. So let's go play sandbox mode. But I'm not gonna get the badge because it's sandbox mode. With the sandbox mode, it's just a free little plane. So let's go and get the music. There's new music. Boombox Tier 2. It's kind of like this is the best one. Okay, so let's just spawn in. Grabbing the UFO box. Grab it. Done with this, I cannot even find it. Gravity, UFO. It's all because of this. Where the hell does this go? This is so crazy. Invite someone. Come on in. And waiting for it. From the join board. No. So let me show you how to get this character. Not sure, but I'm gonna tell you instead. So, first, you need to get, you need to be in the Super Sandbox. No, endless. Then, wait for wave 50 and defeat the Astro guy. Then, go to the hand of, there will be that simple thing that pops up for selecting or picking up things, and that will pop up, and if you once I pick up. So you should just hold it for some time and we'll pick it up. But it doesn't have to be tied. So just stay there. It will be gone. And then a new wave will start by T. I guess. This guy is actually a strong guy. We could defeat Intense Supreme Boombox. Okay? Cool guy. That was something for a minute. You good, I was waiting. And look at the desert man. Don't pick anymore. And go to that strange hand of typing Speaker Man. And then that circle thing that pops up, and you should hold it here, and then the chance typing boombox will come, and you need to defeat him. When you defeat him, you should need a little more, like things, and you should get the second boombox. Typing boombox is the green line papers, I guess, with the same requirements as damage check numbers, I guess. And I want to show you how to get the Yakid, but to put away all of my cards because I have 54 cards from them. So that's why I keep on. Why does Honor game start with a capital letter? And if they start with a capital letter, I'm gonna find it. So they should fix that. Please, since spell like this, please fix that. But let me tell you what this guy does to this much 10 large boxes. 54, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The ultra power is much stronger. It's good. The power. You can literally see his arbitrary simplicity. And he has much more time for flying. He has more time than, you know. Let me show you something. So playing as this guy, you need the Emperor's